Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should be able to see the airbox filter on the upper part of the engine compartment. With one hand, push on the outer edge of the tab and pivot anti-clockwise the flange on the air filter. This will open the airbox. Remove the flange. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the new filter in. Careful, it must go right on the back of the airbox and hold in place on its own. Replace the airbox flange. Insert the studs into the holders provided for this. Then turn the airbox in a clockwise direction. Operation completed.